In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stylish page border in Google Docs in just a few minutes. While Docs doesn't have a built-in page border feature, we'll use a clever workaround with the drawing tool that gives you full control over the appearance. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to add a professional touch to their documents, from reports to resumes. Let's dive in. First, with your document open, navigate to the top menu bar and click Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your cursor down over Drawing, and then select New from the sub-menu that pops out. This sequence opens the drawing canvas, which is a special pop-up window where we will construct our border. This workaround is necessary because Google Docs doesn't offer a direct page border tool, but using the drawing feature gives us even more creative control over the final result. Inside the drawing canvas, go to the toolbar at the top and click the Shape icon. In the menu that opens, hover over the Shapes category and select the basic rectangle. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair, indicating it's ready to draw. Now click and drag on the canvas to draw a large rectangle. Don't worry about getting the size and position perfect just yet. Simply focus on creating the initial shape that will become our border. With the rectangle still selected, find the Border Weight tool in the toolbar. It looks like several stacked horizontal lines of increasing thickness. Click on it to reveal a list of options. To create a clearly defined and visible border, you should choose a heavier weight like 8 px. You can always experiment with different thicknesses later to match your document's style, but this is a great starting point. You will see the outline of your rectangle immediately become much more substantial. Once you are satisfied with the border's thickness, click the blue Save and Close button located in the top right corner of the drawing window. This action will close the canvas and insert the rectangle directly into your Google Doc. Now, click on the shape you just inserted to select it. This is a very important step, as it brings up a special formatting menu right below the object, which we'll need for the final critical adjustments. Now we need to adjust how the border interacts with your document's text. In the menu that appeared below the shape when you selected it, click on the text wrapping icon, which is the middle option. From the drop-down list, select Behind Text. This is arguably the most crucial step in the entire process. It places the border on a layer behind your typing area, which is what allows you to write freely over it and have it function as a proper page border. Next, to ensure the border doesn't move around as you add more text or pages, we'll lock its position. On that same menu below the shape, click the drop-down that currently says Move with Text. From the available options, select Fix Position on Page. This anchors the rectangle to the page itself, rather than to a specific point in the text, turning it into a static background element that will not shift unexpectedly. Finally, you can resize and reposition your new border to perfectly frame the page. Use the small blue square handles located on the corners and edges of the shape to click and drag the border to the desired size. Your goal is to align it with your page margins for a clean, symmetrical look. You can also click and drag the entire shape for any fine-tuned placement adjustments. Take your time with this step to get it just right. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized a page border in Google Docs using the drawing tool. This method gives you complete control over the border's color, thickness, and style. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.